Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to use Polestar 2 luggage and other compartments. Let's get right into it. The Polestar 2 comes equipped with plenty of convenient storage options. From the cup holder and glove compartment with the integrated bag hook to the front compartment that's ideal for storing charging cables, to the spacious trunk with its integrated bag hooks, straps and nets for securely stowing your belongings. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.